Welcome, my name's Stephen Lakey from Gamma Solutions, and today I'm going to be talking about Wi-Fi 6, the new standard in wireless technology. In particular, I'm going to be talking about industrial applications. So these include warehouses, DCs, manufacturing sites, even open yard areas that require coverage. Typically, we need wireless in these areas to connect to inventory systems or warehouse management systems. So what is Wi-Fi 6? And why would we move to this new technology? Essentially, it is faster, much faster, has lower latency, and you can have many more connections per access point. If we look at a typical warehouse, we have a large area where we need wireless coverage. Wi-Fi 6 has a key advantage here, in that we can swap out existing access points one for one with the new technology. And this was never the case with the previous standard. The previous standard actually meant that we had to increase our numbers twofold to take advantage of the benefits. So if you've been holding back, if you've got some old technology, maybe isn't supported anymore, maybe your access points don't have the security patches available anymore, now is the perfect time to update to Wi-Fi 6. It's never going to be more efficient. There's going to be less cabling costs, there's going to be no extra switches required, and you're going to keep your infrastructure costs and installation costs down to a minimum. If you've got any comments or questions, please pop them in the comments or shoot me off a message in LinkedIn.